Hi, my name is Veronica Jordan. I'm a teacher with Lodi Unified School District and I work at Bear Creek High School. I'm one of the SDC moderate to severe teachers here. And today I want to go ahead and show you a very quick and easy way to make a weighted vest. Okay, so you will need 3 items to make this. The first is a long sleeve. I've picked one that is thick and does not stretch very much. You are going to want one that is durable, and I got mine at Goodwill. The next thing you're going to need are weights. I have 2 ankle weights. These are provided to me by our occupational therapist. The last thing you'll need are rubber bands, very thick and sturdy. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is take one of your rubber bands, and at the very beginning of where the sleeve starts, you're going to want to grip the rubber band around here. Alright, I've tied it 3 times to make it very tight and very durable. The next thing you're going to do is take your ankle weight and you're going to want to insert it in the sleeve. The last thing you're going to do is take your other rubber band and tie off the end sleeve. I tied this one 4 times since it's a little thinner on this end. And now repeat on the other side. Okay, so this is what your finished product should look like. You'll notice that each end is tied off to hold the weight in. I have left a little bit room in there for it to move around and adjust depending on the size of the individual who will be using it. And now we'll go ahead and see what it looks like on the back of a chair. Okay, so I went ahead and slid this long sleeve over the back of a chair. It does have buttons, and I like the buttons for this because if I have a chair that maybe is wider, I may need to unbutton it even to put it on, and so it allows for that flexibility. So once on the chair, and let's say there's a student in the chair, they now have these weighted arms on the side, and they can rest them over their shoulder if they like. And the long sleeve can lift up over if it needs to reach a taller person, and obviously lower if it needs to reach a lower person. And then also, if they want to just maneuver and manipulate the items across their body to mimic like a hug, they're more than welcome to do that as well. This is just to be there to provide a weighted sensory need if the student needs that. And it's not meant for something to be long term. So it's not meant for them to sit there all day with this on, maybe in increments of 5 minutes, and then they can take a break, carry on with their day, and then use it again if needed. Some modifications you can make when making the vest is if you are savvy with a sewing machine, you can go ahead, instead of using a rubber band, you can sew along the edge. You can also use long socks instead of a long sleeve if you want maybe to put 2 of the weights in a long sock and use it maybe for a student who wants it on their lap instead, or something to drape over the shoulders on the go, are additional modifications to make to this. I want to emphasize that I am not an occupational therapist. These are just tips I took from my occupational therapist and applied them to my classroom. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed that.